So, what are three companies that are nearly at 52-week lows? What's going on, team? It's Recruit Tech Solutions here with a super quick stock market update. I wanted to talk not just about three, but even a fourth, which is going to be an index. We're going to be talking about QQQ or even SPY if you like to focus a little bit more on the S&P 500. As a lot of you guys know, the market has been selling off. So, at no surprise, have stocks and even blue chip stocks have become very cheap. I'm going to actually show you an example. This is Apple stock. Apple stock right now is trading at 134 a share. And looking at previous highs from where we're at right now, if Apple were to make a recovery to 181.88, we could see that it offers a 36% ROI. Now, obviously, in comparison to a lot of other companies, that especially with all the hype of like the meme stock movement, 38% might not sound like a lot, but if you compare it to Apple, its market cap, and let's be honest, Apple's not going anywhere anytime soon. Of course, the cheap can always get cheaper, but I think anytime that a company or a blue chip stock such as Apple is oversold, it's a great time to start creating a plan of action on how you plan to take advantage of these very oversold levels in preparation for an actual market recovery. The one that we have second is going to be Amazon. Amazon is trading at $87 a share. Can you guys guess how much this thing offers if it were to make a full recovery to previous all-time highs? 113%. Imagine looking back 2 to 3 years from now when Amazon is trading back at over $150 a share, and then asking the question you're going to get asked all the time: how'd you double your money? How'd you make so much money in the stock market? Well, all I did was I bought Amazon, I bought Apple, I bought quality companies when they were down, right? Just like Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Now, again, please make sure you watch your position size. There's no indication that the market is going to recover anytime soon on the technical aspect, but fundamentally, if you kind of begin to look at what's been going on with the Federal Reserve, beginning to slow down at the rate that they're raising interest rates, with CPI data and inflation actually coming down, it actually looks pretty positive, right? Or at least it's not getting worse. And if something isn't getting worse, then essentially it's getting better in the stock market. Now, the last one that we're going to talk about is the notorious Tesla. This is the most risky one out of the three, but I just thought that we'd include it in there. Based off of previous all-time highs, this thing offers 177% ROI. Imagine that. Just even being able to partake in a very small portion. A lot of people like to overcomplicate their investing, or a lot of like to overcomplicate their trading. Don't overcomplicate it, right? You don't have to feel that you always need to be fully invested. Even with other companies like Amazon and other companies like Apple, there's nothing wrong with even just, choosing a small piece of the pie. So let's say that you have $10,000 in your investing account. You don't have to trade with the entire $10,000. On the safer plays, maybe you can play around with or invest with a little bit more money. But on the riskier plays, you don't have to take $1,000 or $2,000 worth of a position size. Even if you just buy one share, you've always wanted to own some Tesla. It's always been too expensive. Now guess what? It's trading at $150 a share. Of course, the cheap can get cheaper. But again, one of the questions that I always ask my Learn Plan Profit traders is not if the market will recover, but when the market will recover. Will you be able to tolerate the time that the market will take for it to actually recover? And that's always the magical question. Make sure you don't take too heavy of a position that it makes you desperate for the market to recover. Understand that things can get worse before they get better, but during down markets is the best time to prepare for a recovery and create that plan of action. And make sure you drop a thumbs up if you agree. Again, if you guys want to learn more about my Learn Plan Profit group, it is literally the only group that I work with on a closer basis. They get access to the A to Z video lesson library, the daily live trading session, the private group chat, and access to my TechBuds HQ, which is a 7,000 square foot facility in Chandler, Arizona. This is all available for a one-time payment, lifetime access. And again, if you want to work with me on a closer basis, this is literally the only thing that I offer, and it's designed for complete beginners. So again, if you want to learn more about this, we are running a sale, and that's that second link in the description. We are also running a Christmas giveaway. And if you want to learn more about how you can enter to win a PS5, an iPad, Beats, and a drone, and even the grand prize of $2,000 cash, we're giving away a micro prize of one of these prizes that you see here once a week. And you need to make sure that you enter on a weekly basis. If you want to learn more about how to enter, click that fourth link in the description. Again, this platform that I am using is the Webull trading application, and it is free for everyone in the US, and that's that fifth link in the description. And if you use my link and deposit $1, you will automatically earn 6 free stocks just by signing up. And yes, you can have more than one trading application as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message via Discord, and that's that first link in the description. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.